In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set email forwarding in the Google Workspace admin console. This process is essential if you need to automatically redirect emails to different accounts, ensuring you don't miss any crucial communications. Let's dive right in and walk through the steps together. First, you'll want to navigate to Google Workspace. Make sure you're using a web browser that's up to date for the best experience. Once you've done that, head over to the admin console. The admin console is the central hub for managing your Google Workspace settings and will be our primary tool today. Next, you'll need to log in using your business email address. This is the account with admin privileges, so ensure you have the correct login credentials on hand. After logging in, your dashboard will open up, providing you with a range of options to choose from. Look toward the top right corner of your screen. Here you'll find the Google Apps menu. Click on this and a menu will drop down. From this menu you'll want to select the admin icon. This icon typically resembles a gear or tools, signifying the administrative controls you'll be accessing. Once you're in, move over to the Apps section. Apps contain various Google services. Clicking here will take you to the area where we can adjust settings specific to Google Workspace apps. After accessing apps, proceed to locate Google Workspace. Clicking on Google Workspace will lead you into a section that houses all internal services and settings related to these applications. Your next step is to find and click on Gmail. Gmail is where you'll be configuring the email forwarding settings. Within Gmail, you'll need to navigate to a section labeled Routing. Routing is critical as it directs how incoming emails are managed, including any forwarding actions. Now, go to Email Forwarding. Here you'll see different configuration options related to how emails are managed and where they can be sent. You're almost there. Click on the option labeled Configure. This will open up a set of additional settings where you can specify forwarding details. Now comes the part where we define the email addresses. Click on Add. In the subsequent fields, you'll type in the primary email address first. This is the email address from which you want to forward emails. Next, enter the map to email address. This is the destination email address where you want your emails to be forwarded. After entering these details, click on Add again. This action finalizes the entry of the forwarding path. Lastly, make sure to hit Save. This crucial step ensures that all changes are properly applied, and with that you've successfully set up email forwarding in the Google Workspace admin console. If you followed along, you should now know how to seamlessly forward your emails to ensure no important messages slip through the cracks. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful.